Now, John, I'm Minneapolis Mayor R.T. Rybak. The word Minneapolis means city of waters, and it's not an accident that that's the name of this beautiful city because we are surrounded with lakes and rivers and some of the most wonderful, clean, clear drinking water of any city anywhere in the world. There are a lot of great reasons to live in Minneapolis, but one of the best is that you can walk right over here to the tap, open it up, take a drink of water, and it tastes better, and it's better for you than anything you can buy in a store. And you know what? You don't have to pay for it, and it won't produce any plastic bottles either. So here in the City of Waters, we want you to drink the water. We also want you to protect it. The water that flows into the Mississippi River, into our lakes, all comes from the storm waters right in our gutters. So please make sure that nothing goes into the street that you don't want in the river that you swim in, the river that you get your fish from, or from our drinking water. So welcome to the City of Waters. Drink up. A toast to a great city. The City of Waters. Or ciao.